Hey everyone, Josh here from Sprout of Philippines and Yabong Pilipinas in partnership with Omaha Gardening. Welcome back to Soil Smart Gardening from the Ground Up. Today's episode is one of my personal favorites because we are talking about something that most gardeners never see but absolutely depend on. They are the living creatures inside your soil. From microbes to worms, they are the silent workforce keeping your garden alive. Now, here's a mindset shift that will change the way you garden forever. Soil isn't just a material. It is an ecosystem, a living, breathing community. Inside just a handful of healthy soil, you can have billions of bacteria, miles of fungal threads, protozoa, nematodes, and of course, our hardworking earthworms. Your soil is as alive as the plants growing in it. And the healthier this underground community is, the stronger and more resilient your garden becomes. Most of the time, when plants struggle, the issue isn't the plant itself. It's the soil life around it. Let us start with bacteria. These guys are tiny. You cannot see them, but they are everywhere. So technically speaking, bacteria decompose organic matter. They cycle nutrients, they fix nitrogen in some species, like legumes. And they also release enzymes that help break down minerals. In simple terms, they are the managers that keep nutrients moving. Without bacteria, organic matter would just sit there and plants wouldn't get fed. Some bacteria even form relationships with plant roots, protecting them from harmful microbes. Think of them as the roots' bodyguards. Healthy soil has a massive diversity of bacterial species, each doing a special job. Let's talk about fungi, the soil's underground web. If bacteria are the managers, fungi are the architects. Fungi break down complex materials like lignin and cellulose, and they create soil structure by binding particles into aggregates. And many forms, especially the mycorrhizal fungi, trade nutrients with plant roots. In layman's term, fungi are the builders. They help create crumbly soil, improve drainage, and allow plants to reach nutrients that roots cannot access alone. And speaking of fungi, we have to talk about mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza are special fungi that form partnerships with roots. They create a huge underground network, like adding Wi-Fi extenders to your home, but for water and nutrients. Here's what they do. They extend the plant root system. They can bring in water during dry spells. They can also deliver nutrients like phosphorus and micronutrients. They can increase disease resistance. They can also improve soil structure over time. And in exchange, the plant gives them sugars. It is a mutual partnership. Both sides benefit. And in places like Omaha, where soils can be heavy and alkaline, mycorrhizae help plants unlock nutrients that otherwise stay out of reach. Next, let us talk about our macroorganisms, which are the earthworms. And I think that they are the crowd favorite. Earthworms aerate soil. They increase porosity and improve infiltration. Their castings, the worm poop, are rich in plant-available nutrients and beneficial microbes. In everyday language, I can say that earthworms till the soil for you. They make tunnels that roots love. They improve drainage, and their castings are like slow-release fertilizer. If you have lots of worms, that's a sign that you are doing something right. Now that we know that the soil is alive, here is the big question. How do we feed this underground community? Because when you feed the soil, it feeds your plants. Here are natural, effective ways to keep that soil food web thriving. First is adding organic matter regularly. Compost, mulch leaves, grass clippings, microbes love them. So you can add organic matter. Next is using mulch, wood chips, straw, shredded leaves. They prevent soil from drying out and they slowly break down into food. Next is reducing tillage because every time we till, we destroy fungal networks and worm channels. Tilling has its place, but less is best. Next is avoiding chemical overuse. High salt fertilizers or harsh pesticides can harm beneficial microbes, so we need to avoid them. Next is growing diverse plants. Different roots feed different microbes. So diversity above the ground is diversity below ground. Healthy soil life doesn't happen overnight. It is built over seasons. But the payoff is incredible. Richer soil, healthier plants, and a garden that becomes more resilient every year. In Omaha, your clay-rich soils benefit massively from building soil life. As we've discussed in episode 3, clay holds sufficient nutrients well, but biological activity helps improve structure, aeration, and drainage. So, the next time you look at your garden, remember, you're not just caring for the plants above them. You are also caring for an entire underground community, working 24/7 to support your garden. In our next episode, we are diving into soil fertility and management, what plants truly need, and how to feed them in the right way. Until then, keep growing and let us keep building healthy soil from the ground up. This is Josh for Omaha Gardener in this series, Soil Smart, Gardening from the Ground Up. And remember, if you grow it, you know it.